Hello friends, welcome to Smart Solutions. In this video we will talk about what is bank guarantee versus earnest money. So there are two terminologies, bank guarantee and earnest money. So what is the difference between these two terminology and what are these actually? So before starting the video I will request you to subscribe our channel first and also press the bell notification icon. So what is bank guarantee, which is also known as retention money and which is also known as security deposit? It is 10% money, 10% money of the total cost of the project to the contractor. The contractor has to submit this 10% money after his tender is accepted and before start of the work. So this 10% money including 8% plus 2% earnest money. So this 10% also includes 2% earnest money, which we'll talk about in a while. So this contractor has to submit this money before the start of the work and after the submission of acceptance of his tender. It is released upon satisfaction. This is a kind of a security deposit, a retention money which is genuinely owned by the contractor, and it is released upon the satisfaction of work. This is because the contractor has to submit that if he has worked according to the specification and the rules mentioned in the contract agreement, this bank guarantee would be released. But if his quality of work is low and not according to the specification and the rules mentioned in the contract agreement, the security deposit is captured from the contractor. So in case of delayed work or not according to the specification, and the 10% security deposit is captured from the contractor. So this is a kind of a fine or punishment to the contractor in the contract agreement. So that's why contract agreement is very effective. A contractor has to maintain his work quality according to the specification to save his 10% money, which is quite big because the total cost of the project might be high. So what is earnest money? Earnest money is a 2% to 2.5% money of the total cost of the project necessary to submit along with the tender. This is the money which a contractor must have to submit along with the tender form by the contractor, otherwise his tender is rejected. So this is known as earnest money, and this is included in the 10% bank guarantee. And if his tender is rejected, his 2% money is returned to the contractor, because this is just for the acceptance of his tender. If his tender is rejected, his earnest money is given to him back. So this is a kind of earnest money, and if his tender is accepted, he has to submit 8% more money to make it 10% bank guarantee, and he has to submit it as contract agreement condition. So this is known as bank guarantee versus earnest money. I hope you are clear on this topic. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.